Hello, my name is Brian Taylor with the North and South Rivers Watershed Association and WaterSmart South Shore. I'm here today at Planet Subaru to talk to you about parking lot maintenance. The average asphalt parking lot is designed to last anywhere between 20 and 40 years. However, with proper maintenance and a little bit of a checklist, one can greatly extend the life of their parking lot and thus saving money and doing good for the environment. A simple day-to-day maintenance checklist includes sweeping regularly to remove debris. This includes sidewalks, parking lots, and dumpster areas. Do not sweep into the gutter or storm drains. Check drainage after rainfall to assure water is quickly running into storm drains and free of debris. Check for crumbling, cracks, or potholes and fill before more costly repairs are needed. Potholes and cracks can allow water to penetrate the surface layer, thus causing further damage. Check catch basins and scoop out any debris, sand, or soil. And lastly, check company vehicles for oil and gas leaks. There's also a seasonal checklist to do for winter, spring, summer, and fall, which includes things like managing snow and minimizing environmental impact, fixing winter damage, seal coating and re-stripping in the summer, and regular cleaning and leaf removal in the fall. For this and more information about parking lot maintenance, check out www.watersmartsouthshore.org.